What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT, and I started my first cleaning company 17 years ago, y'all. When I was only 19, I had just graduated high school. And then I started another one about 10 years ago, and that was the one that took off. I eventually won awards because of that one. I ended up selling that one to my brother when he came home from prison, and I went on to create Clean Biz Network, and this is why people call me the cleaning business GOAT, because I help more people than anybody else on the internet start their own cleaning company. But I was thinking, AJ, what would you do if you had to start all over today and start your own cleaning company? So that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you today in this video. How I, the cleaning business GOAT, would start a brand new cleaning company with under $1,000 to spend, and also have my first paying customer within the 30 days. All right, so let's get into it.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
The very first thing I would do is I would go to cleanbiznetwork.app and join Clean Biz Network. Now, the reason why I say join Clean Biz Network first, not because I'm the founder and I stand by my product, but also because you're going to need a lot of things when you start a business, right? You're going to need some coaching. You're going to need a network of people to ask questions to, and also to partner with, because you might want to hire subcontractors, or you might even subcontract somebody else to get contracts faster, right? So there's a lot of different reasons why you want to have that network. You also going to need some software, right? And so Clean Biz Network automatically comes with an all-in-one software that you can have for your cleaning company, right? So to manage every single thing that you need to manage is also going to come with a course. And this is the most important thing. And this is why I say start here. It's going to come with a step-by-step course that's going to guide you from every single thing, from getting your LLC, your EIN number, all the way down to finding customers, pricing the job, hiring your first employee or subcontractor, and how to create a system out of everything. So you definitely want to sign up for Clean Biz Network first, because it's going to guide you through every single thing step by step, and you get a network, and you get the coaching from me, and you get the software as well that it comes with. So make sure you go to cleanbiznetwork.app and sign up for it. And so I will literally come right here, go to Clean Biz Network and just sign up. And there's a link in the description of this video so you can come straight here to it. But what you would do is just simply come here, sign up, only $99. And by the way, this is a special link, so you will have to click the link in the description of my video here on YouTube and sign up using this link, because sometimes there is a setup fee. All right, but you come here, sign up only for $99, and then once you're signed in, you'll be in our dashboard. And as you can see, our dashboard has a ton of different resources, right? If you look on this side here, it can do a bunch of different things, including help you build your website. You can host as many unlimited websites here, unlimited funnels, unlimited forms, so many different things. But the first thing I want you to do is come scroll down here and click on Clean Biz University. As you can see, I already have it open. You want to open this starter course right here. In the starter course, you want to go to this intro module. And then in the intro module, it's going to show you how to get into our private Facebook group to network with all the other members. It's going to have the monthly call schedule that we do our group coaching calls. Sometimes we do weekly, sometimes we do monthly, just based off of how often the group wants to go at that time. But we've been doing this for years now with Clean Biz Network, so it always just fluctuates. I just give the group whatever they want, all right? But that's the very first thing I would do, is I would join Clean Biz Network and sign up for the starter course right here and take it. Follow it step by step, and then right as you following it, the course is going to show you how to do everything. So if you come to the next part of the course, you're going to see that the course shows you how to get legal, setting up your bookkeeping, and setting up your bookkeeping is actually the next step that I want to tell you. So step 2, what I would do is I would sign up for waveapps.com. All right. Now in the course, I show you how to do it and how to actually set up every single thing when you sign up for Wave. But I say waveapps.com instead of QuickBooks, because even though QuickBooks is the most popular accounting software, waveapps.com is free. And I want you to save as much money as possible, right? Because the goal here is to try to do all of this under $1,000 spent, all right? And you already subscribed to Clean Biz Network, which you can cancel at any time, all right? You can cancel any time. And by the way, this is within 30 days. And so my goal here is for you, when you sign up for Clean Biz Network, we want you to get your customer within the first 30 days. If you don't get your customer in the first 30 days and you feel like you can't make it, just cancel the subscription and you can pick up later, all right? So now that's step 2, is sign up for waveapps.com, right? And that is free, by the way. So far, you only spent $99 just joining Clean Biz Network. Step 2 costs you $0. Step 3 is going to be get legal. And so if it was you, if you're brand spanking new and you have no business experience at all, you may do a fictitious name, AKA a DBA, doing business as. And the reason why I say do that, I usually wouldn't have in the past, but since they added that new thing where you got to sign up for the BOI, and you go to fincin.gov to sign up for that. You have to do that if you're an LLC, but I'm comfortable with LLCs, and it's really not that much to manage, y'all. Trust me, all you do is pay a renewal fee every year. That's all the annual report is. But so here's step 3. What I would do is, one, I would do it first, figure out what you want to name your company, right? Then go get your LLC. You can do this most of the time in every state. Usually it's online, and usually you can get it instantly. Some states you have to wait, like here in Florida where I am, but in my previous state, back in Virginia, you can get it right online instantly. So hopefully you can get yours instantly, and this will all be done in one day. So go get your LLC. The LLC usually costs maybe $100, $125, depending on where you live. For this example, we'll just say $200 to cover almost every state. All right. So $200 on your LLC. Then you also want to get your EIN number. So your tax ID number. You can go to irs.gov and apply for your employer identification number. That's what EIN stands for. That is going to be free. Okay, don't let anybody charge you for that number. All right. And then you also want to go sign up for the BOI, which is if you go to fincin.gov, and that's also free. So sign up for those 3 things, and then you want to go down to the bank and open up a business bank account. Don't get too particular about which bank you should open with. Credit unions are fine. Big banks are fine if you're going to be traveling a lot. And then local community banks are fine if you don't travel a lot. You're going to do most of your business locally, and you plan on getting some lending and building a relationship closer with them. All right. So open up your business bank account. So step 3 again was get your LLC, get your EIN number, sign up for the BOI at fincin.gov, and then open up your business bank account. All right. Now, the reason why we're doing this now is because we really just want to open up that business bank account, because from here on out, we want to track all expenses with that business bank account. All right. Step 4. So now that you got your business bank account open, it should probably be about 12 noon. Now you done went online, you did all of that stuff. Then you went out to the bank, you opened up the business bank account. Now you're going back home. Once you get back home, log back into your Clean Biz Network dashboard. And once you log back into your Clean Biz Network dashboard, what you want to do is you want to come to this left-hand tab right above Clean Biz University and click Buy Bid Appointments. And what this is going to do is we have a lead generation service here at Clean Biz Network. With our leads, they're basically bid appointments. So for those who are new to this industry, a bid appointment is basically a meeting that we set for you to meet with potential clients for commercial cleaning. So this is not house cleaning. This is for commercial cleaning. So that we help people start commercial cleaning companies. So that way you can have that contract revenue coming in, and it's a recurring basis. So you can actually create predictable revenue. All right. So you come here when you're logged in and just buy bid appointments here. And if you buy it within the portal while you're logged in, it'll automatically be discounted at the member rate. So the member rate does fluctuate, as well as the non-member rate. The non-member rate is always higher. As of right now, when I record this video, leads for members is only $125. All right. So I recommend that you buy 5 of those. Okay. So if you buy 5 leads, you have now spent $625 on leads. Okay. So far, let's recap. So far, you spent $625 on leads. You spent $99 on joining CBN. You spent $200 for getting your LLC. All right. So that's want to make sure we keep in count here. All right. And now that I said that, I do want to add in the fact that your business bank account is going to require you to at least have $100 in there to start it. But honestly, we said we were going to do this with at least $1,000 anyway. So $1,000 or less to get this whole thing started. So any amount of money that you had set aside to start your business, take all of that and just put it in the business bank account. So that way, everything you buy going forward should be bought with that business debit card. Now, step 5, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to stay right here in this Clean Biz Network portal. And then you can see right here, you can create a funnel, you can create a website, and a host of other things, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a funnel, and you can see we already have a template here for you. So I'm going to create a funnel. And as you can see with this template, everything is already there for you. All you want to do is click here and just change the logo out to your company's logo, which you can create a free logo on canva.com. All right. And you just want to change this stuff to your stuff. So change that Jacksonville to the name of your city. Let's just say you're in Norfolk, Virginia, right? So the #1 small cleaning company in Norfolk, right? And just come here and change all of this generic stuff that we have for you. And there you go. And just create a quick funnel. All right. Now, this is what I would do. Okay. I'll create a quick funnel because as I'm starting to look for customers, they're probably going to try to look me up, right? And they want to know my website. So I want to make sure I have a website. So with that said, once you finish building this funnel, what I would do next is I would go to GoDaddy.com, buy a domain name, and domain name just simply mean a www.blah-blah-blah.com. That's a domain name. I will connect the domain. And by the way, I show you how to do all of this stuff, the technical stuff, connecting your domain and buying your domain all to your sites and stuff. That's all shown to you in the Clean Business Starter course. That's why I say go ahead and just sign up for Clean Biz Network as the first step, because I show you how to do that in module 2 of the starter course. All right. So buy your domain from GoDaddy.com, connect it to this funnel right here. Then we're going to move on to the next step. And by the way, step 5 only costs you $25 max, and that money was spent on the domain name itself. All right. So if you went to GoDaddy.com and you buy a domain name, and if you get the protection, the privacy protection and all of that, it's going to come up to roughly about $25. Some of y'all might not get the protection, so it'll be cheaper. Some of y'all might get a deal for a first-time buyer, and you might get 99-cent domain name. Okay, but either way, just get your domain name and click it and connect it to your funnel that we built right here. All right. Next step is going to be, I will go back to my Clean Biz Network dashboard, and then I'm staying sites right here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to forms, and when I go to forms, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a quick form, and all I want to do with this form is collect information, and the information that I'm trying to collect is for subcontractors, because once we start getting out here trying to look for clients, we have no idea, what type of contracts we might actually close the deal on. So what you want to do is start thinking ahead and start trying to hire workers ahead of time before you get the deal, because if you get a deal and the contract is too big for you to handle by yourself, then you might want to have some people on standby that you can call to maybe subcontract out to. So what I'm going to call this is subcontractor list form, all right, or vendors list form. All right. And so once you create your vendors list form or your subcontractor list form, you can just put the name. You can maybe create another one. So I'll just come over here, click the plus sign, maybe and then I'm just gonna come over here, drag single line. We can add some more things here. So let's just say this one right here will be company name, because a lot of times you're probably gonna subcontract to other cleaning companies. So I'll just say company name, any other generic information that you might need. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this form. Then I'm gonna go back to that funnel that we just built and add this form to your funnel. So that way also you can have a place for subcontractors to go ahead and apply to be on your vendors list. So that way, once you start closing deals on contracts, you can always have that list of subcontractors that you can actually reach out to and say, hey, can you cover this contract for me? All right. And so for this step, guess how much it costs you? $0, because all of this can be done in the Clean Biz Network platform. Now for step 7, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join any type of cleaning group that I can find on Facebook. All right. So I'm going to go on Facebook and I'm going to type in janitorial cleaning, cleaning business, cleaning, whatever you can find that has to do with wherever cleaning company owners hang. I'm going to go there and I'm going to tell these guys that, hey, I'm looking for people to partner with me in whatever area that you're cleaning in. If you're interested in partnering up on cleaning jobs, or you're looking to sub out or anything like that, please let me know and DM me or something like that, right? Then, or you can say comment on this post, however you want to word it. But then what you would do is you would send them a link to that page where you had that form on, so they can go ahead and just enter their information and be added to your vendors list. And again, that also costs you $0. All right. Now for step 8, what I would do is I would go onto canva.com and create some flyers and some brochures, or some business cards and some brochures. All right. And that is for when you can go out and pass out door to door. All right. And this is probably going to cost you roughly about $50, because after we make them on Canva, we're going to actually order them from Canva, because Canva will actually deliver them directly to you, to your home, or wherever you want to have them delivered to you. All right. Now, if you don't know how to use Canva, guess what? I have a tutorial on how to use it inside the Clean Business Starter course that comes with your membership when you join Clean Biz Network. So it'll be right there inside of module 2 of the course as well. So step 8 costs you about $50. All right, to order the business cards and brochures. All right. So now, all the way from step 1 all the way through step 8, that should have been done within the first day, if not the first week at the most. And the only reason it should go over past 1 day is if your state is one of those states that take longer than a day to let you get your LLC. All right. So now we'll move on to step 9. Now for step 9, it's very simple, and you should be on day 2. And all you're doing from here on out, same thing every single day. You need to call 100 businesses Monday through Friday. So being that you probably started on a Monday, that means you got 4 days left in the week. All right. So that means Tuesday through Friday for that first week, you should have called at least 400 businesses. Out of that 400 businesses that you call, you should have at least 1 to 4 walkthroughs scheduled. Then for those remaining 3 weeks of this 30-day process, you should be had called 1,500 businesses. All right. Out of that 1,500 businesses called, you should have scheduled another 4 to 20 appointments. You should at least close on 1 to 4 contracts. Out of the 1 to 4 contracts, you should be roughly at about $2,000 per month in contracts, all right? Recurring revenue, you sign a contract. In commercial cleaning, they pay you every single month, y'all. And there's a contract, and you usually guaranteed for a year. And you probably like, well, what terms I put in the contract? How do I know? Again, that's why I told you join Clean Biz Network from step 1, because the Clean Business Starter course tells you how to do all of that. We also got the templates with the contracts in there. We got everything, how to price the job. All of that is in Clean Biz Network. So that's why I told you join first, all right? Bam. Then finally, you might say, well, what about insurance? Well, that's step 10. As soon as you get somebody that say they about to move forward and close the deal, and by the way, when you do your walkthrough, they gonna ask you, do you have insurance? A lot of times, always say yes, okay? But don't actually buy the insurance until you got somebody ready to move forward. Then you go online, and I show you where to go inside the Clean Business Starter course. Again, go in there, get your business insurance online. Then you can download it, send them a copy of your insurance, you close the deal, and you in business within 30 days, y'all. So that's literally it. This is exactly how I personally will start a cleaning business again from the ground up, starting today. Now, one thing I didn't say too, and I just thought about was, what about cleaning supplies? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If I was starting today, I wouldn't get no cleaning supplies yet until I close the deal. Then once I close the deal, and I'm gonna do my best to try to put my terms that I get paid up front. If I can't get paid up front, I'm gonna try to get net 10, net 15, something soon to get my money fast, all right? And if I can get paid up front, I'll use the check they gave me to go buy the materials. If I can't get the check up front, I'll either A, go ahead and find some more money from somewhere, borrow it, whatever I gotta do to go get the starter equipment to go clean myself, or B, remember that vendors list we made earlier with those subcontractors on it? I'm just gonna match that subcontractor up to that job and let them clean it, but I'm gonna also go out there with them and work with them to learn how to clean, because you're brand new in this business. If you are, I'm not, so I wouldn't have to do that, right? But if you are brand new to it, then you want to go out there with them and actually learn the job and start, get your experience up as well. So that's all of the steps, 10 simple steps that I would do to get started with the cleaning business today, right now, as fast as possible, with the least amount of money spent as possible. So that's what it is, y'all. Hopefully this video was able to help you. I'm AJ Simmons. Talk to y'all later. Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction, and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years, and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped, and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.